Welcome to 10 Belford Street in Boronia Heights, situated in a fantastic family location and set on 630 square metres. Double lock-up garage. We also have solar hot water and solar power. Come through. So also we have the security blinds here. And this is a lovely little nook at the front here to sit and enjoy morning coffee. So 4 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, double lock-up garage. Lovely front lounge area with dual aspect windows. All rooms have ceiling fans, modern ceiling fans. Tiled floors, easy to clean and keep cool. Combustion stove, keep us warm in those colder months. And through to dining area. As you can see, a very large reverse cycle air conditioning unit, which is perfect. And a great size kitchen. It does have a new electric oven, but plenty of scope to change to your style. And then come through, we have a hallway through here with good storage. So broom cupboard and shelving. Linen cupboard, much neater than mine. Through to the master bedroom. So you've got the rack air conditioning unit, which does work, the boxed air conditioning does work, and round to 2 double built-ins with mirrored doors. And the master has the convenience of a 2-way bathroom. So corner bath with shower bath, heat lamps, separate toilet, large vanity unit with shelving. Hello. Again, great space. Down the hallway we have the laundry with door access to the side yard and the pool. And then the further 3 bedrooms. So bedroom 2. All bedrooms have carpet and double built-ins, ceiling fans. Bedroom 3. This one has a little study nook in the corner there. And bedroom 4, again with a great view of the rear garden. Back up the hallway here and round to the dining kitchen area. I'll take you outside, it's a beautiful day. So we have a covered patio area here with double gates, so you have got side access to the rear yard. As you can see, the children absolutely love it here. Water tank on the side here. Another little garden shed here. Plenty of storage in this home. The pool has been remarbled about 4 weeks ago, and that has a 10-year warranty plus. So pool safety certificate has been done. And then come through, we have another shed on concrete base here, storage. We have a little storage nook through here. To the double lock-up garage, currently used as storage. And they have converted one side with sliding doors, but again, that can be changed. So this home offers something to everybody, really. It's a great family home in a perfect location, low maintenance yard, and yet enough for the trampoline. There we have it, 10 Belford Street, Embronia Heights. My name's Claire Franklin. I hope to see you soon. Take care.